Do you have to pay me for my fees? Absolutely not. My fees are paid by the insurance company. Doesn't cost you anything to come to my office. Just get in the car, walk past the waterfall, come up to the 8th floor, right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment. Contact me today at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Again, my location is right across the street from the Palisades Hotel. Call me today at 702-236-2624. We can give you a full insurance review. It would be great if you could bring in your life insurance policy because I cannot look it up online. I just can't. Now, your auto insurance, we can look up some of the information online, but these privacy laws make it a little very difficult to look up some of these coverages that you have, but it's always good to know what coverages you have. And I said this before. If you're shopping for car insurance, what you want to do is bump your current rates up, or your current coverages up to the next level. If you have the minimum state requirement on your auto insurance policy, the minimum state requirement of $25,000 per person, $50,000 each accident, $20,000 property damage on your auto insurance. That is the minimum now. It changed about a year and a half ago. Now, you take that to $50,000 per person, $100,000 each accident, then we can shop for you a better car insurance rate. Is it going to cost you a couple more dollars? Yeah. Well, you know what? What a cup of coffee costs per month. That's what it's going to cost you. If you go to Starbucks and get a cup of coffee, that's what it's going to cost you per month to bump your rate up, to bump your insurance coverages up one level. Come on now. We can all afford a cup of coffee at Starbucks if you want to. I don't go there, but because I make my own coffee. I'm not paying those coffee prices. It's just a little bit too much, Frank. I just make my own coffee, man. I can get zooped up at home making my own coffee. But anyway, it's just that affordable. That's the reason why I bring it up. It's just that affordable. If you just bump it up, and you're only going to bump it up for 1 month, because once we see it on your declaration page, you have $50,000 per person, $100,000 each accident, $25,000 or $50,000 property damage. Now we can shop for you at a better rate. When you have the minimum state requirements on your auto insurance, because what we're doing is we're trying to compare apples to apples, and what we're doing is we're just spinning around and just trying to find you something to save you money. It's very difficult to save you money that way. It's very difficult to save you money that way. You get your breaks when you increase your liability coverage. Call me today at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Now, if you can't call me because you're at work, give me a text. Text me your information and the reason why you want me to see you. 702-236-2624. Give me a call today. 702-236-2624. Hey, you know what? I'm going to open up the phone lines if you have any questions or concerns. 702-647-3688. 702-647-3688. Now, if you didn't listen to my show last Tuesday, we had the Don Father showed up. He jumped in the Cadillac and put some miles on it, He came to see us, and I never know when the Don Father's going to show up. He just happens to show up. So that's why you want to keep it locked right here at Power 88. Listen to my show. We broadcast every Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here at Power 88, right after Kim Bailey show with all her valuable information. And we come on every second and fourth Friday right here at Power 88 to give you more valuable information. Now keep it locked right here, because right after this we have Like It Is Radio coming on, starring Cheryl Lightford. She's going to come on and bring you some valuable information. We're going to miss Franklin Verley very much. When I leave on my Fridays, I used to see Franklin coming in with all his wisdom. He always got some wise wisdom to say, just to throw on me as we exchanging the mic. But, he's going to miss dearly right here at the family at Power 88. I just want to give him my condolences and keep your prayers in Franklin family and his family members. And, just keep him in your thoughts and prayers. Also, we have my media guru, I want to call him, is Frank White. Frank is a media expert. What he does, he comes in record on my show every Tuesday, every second and fourth Friday. He records on my show. Now, if you have something coming up, Frank, give him your information and tell him a little bit about yourself, because, I can't tell it like you can tell it.
Good morning.
Well, good morning, Frank. Wake up. Stay with us now.
No, I was going through the cell phone stuff.
Frank got like 16 phones over here. I can't afford one phone, and you got like 20 phones over here.
Well, they're all just upload videos and all that kind of stuff.
I appreciate
Make
it.
likes, all that stuff. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, what I do is set up video platforms for businesses so that they are able to tell about their products and services through video, using video form and stuff like that. So I just do some quick editing, give their contact info, and put it up on YouTube.
Okay.
And then just use that to put on their social media platforms that they have: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.
Okay, so if you have a wedding coming up, you can film that, right?
Right.
A wedding coming up, bar
photography.
mitzvahs, stepping contest, bid whiz contest, hell, domino contest. You're there for them, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Or backyard barbecue.
That's right.
Okay.
Kelly or not.
Put something on the grill, right? Make it real.
Yeah.
That sounds like a rap song. Put something on the grill and make it real.
It is.
Contact Frank. Give me your phone number, Frank, so I can.
702-979-4877.
Say that again, please.
702-979-4877. Or just go to Frank the Biz Connector, B-I-Z, connector.com. And you see all my contact info there.
Yeah, we got to pay it for it. Every single time we have to pay it for it. Frank goes on Facebook. He has questions. People want to ask me questions. Now, listen, this is my first time hearing these questions, so bear with me, listeners. Sometimes, these questions, they're a little challenging, but, this is my first time hearing the questions. What do we have today?
Okay, our first question, these are kind of unique. I never asked these before, but
Okay.
This first one is this person says they're thinking about buying an RV and traveling the West Coast with his family and wants to know, should he consider home insurance for it or auto, and wants to know what the difference is.
Well, it is a traveling home.
That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah, no, that's a weird question, but no, it is mobile home insurance, motor home insurance, excuse me. So it's an RV, so we need to put motor home insurance on your RV to cover any damages or liability that you cause. I know you have a traveling home. I've been in one of those, those are pretty cool. When I was getting married, my dad rented a motor home, and it was nice too. It was so nice. It was like 2 bedrooms in it, a bathroom, a kitchen, and my mom was cooking in the kitchen, and I couldn't remember. I mean, I was driving this thing, and I wanted to go back with them and join the party. Let the thing drive itself. It was so nice. That was back in '84. Wow, time go by really, really fast. But yes, and then of course we had to put insurance on the RV. And I have friends that have RVs. They roll in RVs. They said, Don, when you gonna get you an RV? I said, listen, as long as you have an RV, I have an RV. Yes, we can put some insurance on your RV. Call us today at 702-236-2624. Now, listen, you can't add that on your car insurance. We have to do a separate insurance policy for your RV. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Boat or an RV, we can help you with that. Recreational vehicles, motorcycles, boats, RVs, classic cars. We do it right here at Your Insurance Connection. We can help you with your insurance for all your insurance needs. Now, we don't write event insurance where you have one-day event. We don't do that. Or I don't write commercial, not right now at this time. I'm just concentrating on the life insurance, home and auto, and renters. 702-236-2624. Call me today. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. 702-236-2624. And the phone lines are open with any questions or comments. 702-647-3688.
All right, well, this next question, actually, you just answered it. It's tied into the RV insurance, but this person is a California resident and owns a boat and wants to know, is there a boat or is considering buying a boat and wants to know if there's boat insurance or...
There's insurance on everything.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Insurance is everywhere. You know what? You can't see it, you can't feel it, you can't touch it. If you're going to do something, insurance is involved. If you're going to buy a home, insurance is going to be involved. If you're going to be a renter, you must get renter's insurance. Renters is very affordable. Like I said earlier, what a cup of coffee costs at your local coffee house, that's what renter's insurance is going to cost you. 1 cup of coffee per month, that's what you can get from renter's insurance. It protects your personal property. It protects you from vandalism, fire, theft, because people get broken into in apartments, condos, and homes they're renting. And also, if there's a fire, it protects your personal property. Your landlord is not going to protect your personal property. 702-236-2624. Yes, we can put boat insurance on your vehicle, motorcycle insurance, you ride a motorcycle. Everything needs to be insured. Everything needs to be insured. 702-236-2624. I got to give it to Brian. He is jamming with the music today. You know, this music got me all pumped up. I thought it was a couple of espressos that I had early this morning, but Brian got the music jamming today. It's about time he did something. Just sitting back there. Anyway, what else we have today?
This person, this is a life insurance question. This person says they're going to be doing a lot of traveling in the next year for extended periods of time in and out of the country, and wants to know, do they need to update their insurance policy to state or update their insurance policy in case something happens, or do they need separate policies for each time they're away for extended periods?
So if they want life insurance covers you no matter where you go.
Really?
If you go to, it covers you all over the country, all over the world. I mean, if something happens to you, yes. If I hate to use that word if, when something happens to you and you pass away, and you need that life insurance policy, it only takes. Now, if you experience loss of loved ones, and let me say this: your life insurance coverage is coverage 100% every day, all the time. It is. It covers you all the time. Whether you traveling across the country or going to another country, their coverage carries you no matter what when you purchase a life insurance contract. The thing is this, when people lose a loved one, and I said this on Tuesday's show, and it had a great impact because I had people call me and comment on it. When you lose a loved one and people walk up to you and say, "Is there anything I could do for you?" You just let them know, especially family members. When family members come up to you and say, "Is there anything I could do for you?" And you just look them in their eyes and tell them, "Yes, get yourself a life insurance policy because I cannot afford to bury you too." That's real. That is real as it gets. I'm telling you, there's so many people out there right now that's listening to me, and you've been listening to me for a long time. You get a life insurance policy, and you keep it for 2 or 3 months. If you don't understand what you have, don't just cancel the policy. Let's sit down and have a conversation. What is your concerns? The worst thing people can do is get a life insurance policy. And I hate to say this, but it's so true. Get a life insurance policy. Then you share that information because you did the right thing. Now, this person that you told this information to, for whatever reason, they're going to try to talk you out of the life insurance policy. You don't need no life insurance policy. What you get a life insurance policy for? And it happens. I want you to simply ask that question to this person. When they tell you don't need a life insurance policy, that means you're going to take care of all of my final expenses. If I have children, you're going to take care of my children too. If I'm married, you're going to take care of my spouse. You're going to pay all my bills for me. So if they say no to that, well, don't tell me I don't need a life insurance policy. You don't have a life insurance policy, or you just have a life insurance policy on your job. Now, if you have a life insurance policy on your job and you're not paying for it, wonderful. But if you are paying for it, you are in a group coverage. That group coverage will end when you retire or when you leave that job, because it's not designed for an individual group. It's a group life insurance policy. That policy is not designed for the individual life insurance policy. Now, again, if you have a life insurance policy at work and you're not paying for it, that's great. That's a benefit. However, if you are paying for it, let's sit down and have a conversation. Let's get the max out of your life insurance while you're still young, while you're still healthy. Now, if you've had a life insurance policy for the last 5-10 years and you don't understand the language in the life insurance policy, or if you just purchase a life insurance policy, you don't understand the language in the policy, don't throw your hands up in the air and just cancel the life insurance policy, because now you have to requalify all over again. And don't leave this responsibility on your family members to pay for your final expenses. I mean, final expenses, when I say final expenses, we have to pay for a funeral. That's $15,000 on average today. If you don't believe me, contact Serenity Funeral Home. They'll tell you. Call Andre. He'll tell you. Go in there, he'll send you a price list. I have one in my office. I share it with everyone when they come in and talk about life insurance, because I want you to understand the magnitude of the cost today for life insurance. that will protect you for that day. And that day comes for all of us. There are benefits with a life insurance policy. You build up cash value, money you need in case of emergency. You can have it to your disposal. You know, you could have income coming in. And the other day, a gentleman called me. He said, "You know what? I'm on strike with the auto workers, and this gentleman lives in Detroit. What can I do to save the policy I purchased for my uncle?" And you know what I got? I got on the phone with the insurance company. What we're doing is he have up to 8 months. He does not have to make a payment on that life insurance policy. Okay, he has up to 8 months not making a payment on that life insurance policy, and the policy still stays in effect. 702-236-2624. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning into Your Insurance Connection. This is the reason why you want to talk to an insurance agent. If there's something that come up in your life, don't all of a sudden, you know what, I'm gonna cancel my life insurance policy. You know, if you have to, now let's say you came up across some money, all right, you might have hit that lotto ticket or something, I don't know. I was in the state line, I was at the state line, Frank, and there was so many people lining up, signing, getting their numbers and using their date of birth, their baby date of birth, just all kinds of, and I just wanted to just say, anybody ever won?
No.
No one ever wins. That is the biggest gimmick going. And the odds are stacked against you so much. Don't depend on a lottery ticket or a Keno ticket or a football bet, because I bet and I lose. Coming in for you to support your family. That's a bad bet. But a sure bet is this. You're in Vegas, it's a betting town. A sure bet is to get yourself a life insurance policy, an individual life insurance policy. If you have term insurance, do not think term is going to carry you for the rest of your life. It won't. That's why they call it term. 10, 15, 20-year term. If you're going to take out a term policy, you want to get the maximum. You want to get a 30-year term policy. Now, for whatever reason, you need a shorter term because you have a business partner, we can look at that too. Maybe a 10-year term policy for a business partner. 702-236-2624. My name is Donald Marquez. Call me today. Or if you can't call me, text me at 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. My location is on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building, located on the 8th floor. Now, we had a seminar 2 weeks ago, Saturday. It was a great seminar with Sheila Smith. She does loans. She broadcasts every Wednesday right here at Power 88 from 10 a.m. to 10:30 right here at Power 88. Now, Sheila gets you qualified for the mortgage process. Before you go looking for a home, you have to qualify first. She gets you pre-qualified, and if there's anything on your credit report that needs to be repaired, she can help you with that too. Sheila comes on every Wednesday right here at Power 88 from 10 a.m. to 10:30. She can get you qualified so you can start shopping for that home. And we're coming up. She put me on blast last. I'm gonna tell her like this. She put me on blast last Wednesday. She said we're gonna have another seminar. You think she asked me about it first? It's all good. We're gonna have another seminar next month. We're gonna look at it November 16th for the seminar next month. Right at my location, right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. Bank building on the 8th floor. That's going to be on a Saturday morning. 702-236-2624 for more information. And listen to Sheila. You need that to refinance your home, pay some credit card bills off, pay that auto off, and take that dream vacation. 702-236-2624. That's my number. If you want to get in touch with Sheila, call me and I'll give you patch her through to you, 702-236-2624, or just listen to her show coming up this Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 10:30 right here at Power 88. Again, back to the life insurance. Life insurance is dear to me on this show because we all buy auto insurance. And a lot of us pay more money for auto insurance than we do for life insurance. I mean, it's amazing. We're ready to spend money on a car for auto insurance and spend little money for life insurance. Lose a loved one, and see how much that affects your family. Sometimes it tears families apart with no life insurance because you have to bury this loved one. You have to bury your mother, your father, your grandparent. And yes, you can be the owner of the life insurance policy for one of your parents. You can pay for the life insurance and also to be the beneficiary. You can do that. You could be the owner, the beneficiary, and the payer. I can help you with that. Now, if you have diabetes, a lot of diabetics today get turned down for life insurance. If you have hepatitis, if you have lupus, if you have cancer, but not terminal cancer, if you're just being treated and if you have cancer, we can get you up to $15,000 of whole life insurance at Your Insurance Connection. My name is Donald Marquez. Call me today at 702-236-2624. Let us help you. A lot of you have been listening to my show for the last 5 years. I've been on the air for 5 years right here, Power 88. And you said, one of these days I'm going to make that call. Make that day today. 702-236-2624. There's no reason to wait. If you're talking about, we're going to get some life insurance, but we're going to do it before the end of the year. What's wrong with right now? Your health can change between now and the end of the year. What's wrong with right now? If you're going to do it, you're going to do it. That's how I look at life. When I procrastinate on things, other things come up. Not that I want other things to come up, because people say, there's always something. Don't say that, because it always will be something. Because you're putting it out there in the universe for something always to come up. That's a fact of life. But when you procrastinate, all of a sudden you start have these layers of things you need to take care of, no matter what it is. But life insurance should be a no-brainer. Everybody's going to pass. It's not an if, family. I have so many of you coming to, if something happens to me. Okay, we're going to stop saying if, because that prolongs the process you purchase a life insurance policy. And you should think about what position you can put your family in without a life insurance policy. What position your family will be in. How is a wife supposed to survive without you, your income, and no life insurance? And she has to bury you too with no life insurance. And gentlemen, don't say I don't care. You do care. You should care. As a man, it is your responsibility to take care of your family, whether you're here or not. That's just a fact. That's just a fact. Now, if you want to get life insurance on your wife, get life insurance on your wife too, because who's going to go first? I mean, look at me. Look at my situation. I'm a widow. I am. I didn't think my wife was going to go first, but it happened. But she secured my future. Thank you, Sybil. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. This is life. This is the way it goes. There is never a time that I meet people and they tell me, I don't believe in life insurance, and I don't care what they do with me. Throw me in Lake Mead. No, they're not. They're not gonna throw you in Lake Mead. Can you imagine throwing you in Lake Mead? What you gonna look like 2 or 3 days later? Oh. And then people drink that water too. I need to send Frank, when people tell me that, you know what I'm going to do from now on?
Send the Don.
I'm going to send the Don. And if you listen to my show, if you want to see the Don, go to YouTube. Just type in Your Insurance Connection on YouTube, and you can see the Don Father in action. And is he a scary man, Frank?
Very.
Is he scary?
He's funny, but he's scary.
He's funny. I hope he's not listening, because he's going to come at you for that.
I know.
My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning in to Your Insurance Connection, 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. My name is Donald Marquez. I've been an insurance agent for the last 23 years. There's nothing I haven't heard I can't help you with. 702-236-2624. Now, at Your Insurance Connection, we write auto insurance, homeowners insurance, life insurance. Call us today at 702-236-2624. Again, if you have diabetes, if you're being treated for cancer and you're not terminal you're not terminal with cancer, liver disease, heart disease, we can help you getting a life insurance policy. If you're a smoker, where are my smokers? My smokers don't call me, because they know the price is going to be a little bit higher than a person that doesn't smoke. Don't let that stop you, because if you stop smoking, we can get you a life insurance policy and reduce the rate down to you. But get the life insurance policy now. We can work on getting you a better rate when you stop smoking for a full 12 months. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. My name is Donald Marquez. Give me a call today. And if you can't call me, text me at 702-236-2624. I am here for you. Let's book you in an appointment. Come to my office. It's located right on the corner of Sahara Rancho in the U.S. Bank building located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment. You don't pay me anything for my services. The life insurance companies, the auto insurance companies compensate me for my services. Doesn't cost you anything. And I don't take any money across my desk. No checks, no cash, no nothing. You pay the insurance companies direct. You pay the insurance companies direct. And I have well-known insurance companies that I represent. Mutual of Omaha, Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance Company, Prudential, Transamerica, just to name a few, Pacific Life. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. I mean, I do have those companies to my access. For auto insurance, Progressive, I have Progressive. I have Travelers. I have Safeco. I mean, I have a lot of companies. Dairyland. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. Let me do the shopping for you. Now, if you've been with your insurance company for the last 3 years with no tickets or accidents, call me today at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Keep it locked right here. Like It Is Radio is coming up. I see Cheryl Lightford. I see David Washington. I see Ramon Savoy. I see Shannon Verley. It's a lot of people that I see that's taking pictures in front of the Power 88 sign that's going to come in and talk about the different events that's coming up right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Pretty soon. I know the Men That Cook have an event coming up next month, and I was there last year, Frank. I was there last year, and Franklin again. He put this on, and in his honor, we're gonna continue it. I told him at the first one, Man Who Cook. I said, Franklin, we should do this every year. This is a lot of fun, man. This is great, and we all had the aprons, Men Who Cook, and I'm still contemplating what I want to do with it now, because last time I did it, I just blew everybody away. I brought on those pecan rub chicken wings. I didn't have none left. Everybody was like, now you've been up here 2 or 3 times getting this pecan rub chicken wings. They said, what is that? I said, it's pecan rub chicken wings. It's a family secret, as the Don father would say, as a Don would say. My name is Donald Marquez. You're tuning into Your Insurance Connection. Contact me today at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Keep it locked right here. Like It Is Radio is coming up. Featuring Cheryl Lightford. Again, Dave Washington is saying something. I don't read lips, David, through the window. I can't read lips. So they're going to come in, keep it locked right here, Power 88. We're going to broadcast again Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here, Power 88. Everyone have a great weekend. Hope your football bets come in. Until then, just keep it crispy.